My name is Adobe Onyekweli. I'm a reinvention coach. I help women to stop procrastinating and start living. Because I was recovering from a health challenge, I found it difficult to focus. I found it difficult to actually put my business in a structure. So when I heard about business school with James, I felt this is something that could guide me. And when I came, it actually gave me an insight as to how to look at my business in a different way. I have tried attending other seminars, but I didn't know they weren't the right type. But when I came here, I like the way James takes you step by step, and that was what I really loved. So that has been better for me than the other seminars I've attended. Yeah, the Business Accelerator has given me a different mindset. Like, it's enabled me to focus and look at where I am not talking to my customers properly. So I've learned that from there. The other benefits is actually connecting with other members in the program, because I met a lot of people, and it's like we can bounce off each other with knowledge, and also having a good mentor. The mentor we had was very good, and I've also been exposed to some new tools that I can use, which I have never known before. So it's going to take time, but I put that into what I'm learning. Yes, I would recommend the Business Accelerator to other people. This is because it's something that's a must for any small business. You need to know the right tools to use in order to grow. After all, we're the business to grow. So using the right things from the Business Accelerator will surely be helpful. And I recommend it, James and Jensen. Thank you.